in response to 10 steps to descaling a Pentair pool heater. I live in Texas, a suburb of Houston, and we have very, very hard water. How often should I descale my heater? I have a Pentair MasterTemp 400,000 BTU.
It's something I don't like to do if I don't have to. I do it in order to save heaters, where someone's water chemistry gets out of control, and it's, you know, short of replacing the heat exchanger, that's really the one thing you can do. So that's the reason why I started doing it. If you keep your water chemistry in check, you should never have to. However, understanding that you have very hard water to begin with, if you know you run a salt system and stuff, if you happen to, then your alkalinity, your pH, they're probably gonna be high too. It's gonna be easier for it to lead to scale. If that's the case, then maybe every other year, and use use a diluted mix. I mean, I wouldn't go higher than 5-to-1 water to acid, because you're looking at it from a preventative maintenance standpoint. If you go too hard on the acid, and the acid will go a little bit too hard, possibly on the copper or any of the sensors or anything. So by flushing it through with a slightly acidic mix, it might help clean out any start of scale. But if you're not actually facing any issues with scale where it's causing blockage, flow restrictions, the heat not actually getting through, then I would go with a relatively weak mix. It's from there. The biggest thing is just being proactive as far as keeping your water chemistry in check.